What's up, guys? Adam at Time Warp here. If you're getting any value out of this so far, do me a favor and hit that thumbs up button below. If you have any questions, I'm here to help you, so hit me up down in the comments. Part 2 of this series, I'm going to show you how to paint texture effects like this. And once again, all of the paint and the materials that I used in this video is available on Amazon. You'll see the link down in the description. It's also pinned to the top of the comments. As always, thanks for watching.